EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marcus here with your outlook for the weekend, January 4th and 5th, 2020. We're going to have some rain showers around primarily just early this morning, and then we remain cloudy for the most part after that with just a stray shower. I do think some areas have the opportunity to go to mostly cloudy skies this afternoon, which would indicate maybe a peak or two of sun. That is not out of the realm of possibility for later today, and then we will turn partly cloudy overnight as the system pulls away. And it does look like we're going to be on the warmer side today. Generally, either side of 50 degrees for highs. Then the temperatures drop tonight, and then we become partly cloudy. Sunday is going to be a cooler day, but not really that cold. It's going to be temperatures generally in the upper 30s to low 40s across the region, so it's not going to be really too terrible. And partly cloudy skies. We're also going to see breezy conditions from mid-evening this evening into about noon on Sunday. So if you have any plans during that time frame, be wary of that. We'll have some wind gusts 25 to 35 miles per hour at times, and maybe even higher than that once we get up to the Poconos and higher elevations. But this will just generally be a 9 p.m. through noon Sunday window for that wind to pick up as the system pulls away. That's in part due to this pressure gradient here created by departing low pressure that's starting to bomb out here in the ocean, and high pressure trying to move in. So the pressure gradient created between the two of those, plus you have like a little miniature trough trying to settle in here on Sunday morning. It's not much of a trough, but there's a trough there nevertheless, and that is going to lead to some breezy conditions both Saturday night and Sunday morning. So be wary of that, but we'll have a drier trend throughout the weekend. And again, I think it's mainly just this morning as I look through the NANM high-res future simulated radar, and it's starting this off at 7 a.m. You can see a few lingering showers left over, very widely scattered, and then as you move through the morning here, it gets less and less, and in the afternoon even less or so with the precipitation. Again, the NAM is actually indicating there might be peaks of sun during the afternoon for some of you. Not all, but some of you might see peaks of sun, and that moves away. Next thing we'll be watching here is Sunday night. There's a weak clipper system off to the north, and there could be a few snow showers here, generally for parts of northeast and north central Pennsylvania here. Not a real big deal, coating type stuff on mainly grassy areas, not map worthy. This is just a quick clipper system moving through on Sunday night. Probably not getting that far south, so areas around I-78 point south, probably not seeing much of anything, maybe just a stray snow shower and that's it. But we are remaining on Monday partly cloudy, just like Sunday, and after that, and the temperatures are going to increase a little bit, maybe to the lower 40s or either side of the low 40s here for Monday. Now, the next system of interest is going to be forming out here in the Tennessee Valley. It's in the lead of another trough. This trough coming in is not quite as potent as it looked maybe a couple weeks ago, or actually a week ago. We were doing the long range. Now it looks like it's going to get temperatures back down to near average for a couple of days. But this system right here is going to move from the Tennessee Valley, and it will be a wintry component to this. The question is, how far south does this snow get? I think we're pretty safe to assume that the interior locations are going to get snow out of this, and some accumulating snow. Not a big storm, but we're talking about 1 to 3, 2 to 4 inch type snowfall in areas that it stays all snow. The dividing line right now seems to be along I-78, okay, and that if it's not I-95, it ends up being I-78 in other certain circumstances, and this is one of those deals. So with low pressure moving right near I-95, northwest of there you're going to still have rain, but once you get up to about I-78 and points northwest, you get some accumulating snow out of it. Not a tremendous amount of snow in the I-78 corridor. It looks like it's more northwest of there, and even there it's not that big deal. Again, it's like a 1 to 3, 2 to 4 type deal, but right along I-78 you could get maybe a coating to an inch or two. I think further south and east is where you're going to get just primarily rain out of this, and that's pretty much consistent across all guidance. I'm showing the European model here, but it's pretty much the same idea that's being sold by the GFS and the Canadian model. So we just have to figure out the rain snow line of where that's going to take place, and we'll have a map out for this probably early next week once we get back from the weekend. Right now, it doesn't look like a big deal. It's not going to suddenly energize into some big storm anyway, so we could probably wait till Monday to put out a call for this and send any alerts. This is going to be very fast moving and quick in and out, so this comes in later on Tuesday afternoon and goes into the evening hours, maybe very first part of the overnight, and then it goes away. And then we get cold here for a couple days, both Wednesday and Thursday. We're going to get very breezy again here on Wednesday with wind gust again in that 25 to 35 plus range. So very breezy, cold on Wednesday. Wednesday will be actually probably not getting out of the mid to upper 30s for highs, so we're actually near average for a change for projected highs here for Wednesday. And then Thursday, pretty much the same thing, just not with the wind. And then we start to come out of it a little bit. Thursday is going to be probably upper 30s to near 40. So we start coming out of it, but mostly sunny skies here expected for Thursday. Now, after this system, we have another one coming in, but this one's going to have a ton of warm air coming in as a ridge builds back into the region. This ridge means that we're going to have warm temperatures coming in ahead of this system. So this is going to be rain in its entirety, it looks like, and that's going to come in later Friday and continue into Saturday. So there's some rain involved with this, as you can see here, and we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But right now it does look like rain's coming in later on Friday afternoon and going through at least Saturday of next weekend, but this does look like rain from start to finish. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for the weekend, January 4th and 5th, 2020. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.